Hello students, welcome to BJ Mathematics class. Today let us learn representation of rational numbers on the number line. We know all how to represent natural numbers, whole numbers and integers on the number line. Natural numbers are represented as shown on this number line. The line extends indefinitely only to the right side of 1. Whole numbers are represented as shown on this number line. The line extends indefinitely to the right side only but from 0. Integers are represented as shown in on this number line. The line extends on both sides of 0. But how would you represent these numbers on the number line? Let us learn how to represent these numbers on the number line. To represent rational number on the number line, determine first in between which integers does the given fraction lie. There are two cases. Case number 1, when numerator is less than denominator, and case number 2, when numerator is greater than denominator. When numerator is less than denominator, then fraction is less than 1. Fraction is less than 1 and it is in between 0 and 1. And if minus 1 by 3 is there, minus 1 by 3 lie between 0 and minus 1. Here 4 by 9. 4 by 9 lies, here numerator is less than denominator. It lies between 0 and 1. And if minus 4 by 9 is there, it lies between 0 and minus 1. 2 is less than 7. It lies between 0 and 1. And if minus 2 by 7 is there, then it lies between 0 and minus 1. 5 is less than 8. Means numerator is less than denominator. It lies between 0 and 1. And if minus 5 by 8 is there, it lies between 0 and minus 1. Case number 2. If numerator is greater than denominator, then it is improper fraction. Convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. 7 divided by 2. 2 3s are 6. 1. Remainder is 1. Quotient is 3. And divisor is 2. Means 3 integer 1 by 2. Quotient integer, remainder by divisor. 7 by 2 is written as 3 integer 1 by 2 in mixed fraction. And number next to 3 is 4. Means 7 by 2 lies between 3 and 4. Now 11 by 5. Convert 11 by 5 to mixed fraction. Divide 11 to 5. 5 2s are 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. Now quotient, integer, remainder by divisor. Quotient is 2, remainder is 1, divisor is 5. Number next to 2 is 3. Means 11 by 5 lies between 2 and 3. Next 43 by 8. Divide 43 by 8. 8 5s are 40. 3 minus 0 3. 4 minus 4 0. Means quotient, integer, remainder by divisor. Quotient is 5. Remainder is 3. And divisor is 8. Number next to 5 is 6. Means 43 by 8 lies between 5 and 6. And if minus 7 by 2 is there, then it lies between minus 3 and minus 4. If minus 11 by 5 is there, it lies between minus 2 and minus 3. Negative numbers are represented on the left of the 0 and positive numbers are represented on the right of the 0. Case number 1. When numerator is less than denominator. When numerator is less than denominator, then it is in between 0 and 1. And if negative fraction is there and numerator is less than denominator, then the fraction is between 0 and minus 1. Let us represent plus 1 by 3. Here denominator tells in how many parts unit distance between 0 and 1 is to be divided. Here denominator is 3, therefore unit distance between 0 and 1 is divided into 3 equal parts, 1, 2, 3. Numerator tells us how many parts of these divisions are considered. Here numerator is 1, therefore 1 part is considered. Therefore first marking is 1 by 3. On second marking it is 2 by 3. And on third marking it is 3 by 3 means 1. And we want 1 by 3. Here 1 by 3. Let us represent 4 by 9. Denominator is 9. Therefore divide, it is plus 4 by 9. So it is between numerator is less than denominator. Therefore it is between 0 and 1, 9. Therefore distance between 0 and 1 is divided into 9 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Denominator is 9. Therefore unit distance between 0 and 1 is divided into 9 equal parts. Now numerator tells us how many parts of these are considered. Here numerator is 4. Therefore 4 parts after 0 are considered, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 9. And if 1 by 9 is there, it is 1 by 9, second marking 2 by 9, and on the third marking 3 by 9, and on the fourth marking 4 by 9, on the fifth marking 5 by 9, here 6 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9, and here 9 by 9 means 1. But we want 4 by 9 means fourth marking after 0 is 4 by 9. And if it is minus 4 by 9, then represent it on the left of 0 in the same manner as above. It lies between 0 and minus 1. So 9, denominator is 9, means distance between 0 and minus 1 is divided into 9 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And numerator 4 tells us how many parts of these are considered. Here numerator is 4. Therefore 4 parts after 0 are considered. Therefore at the fourth marking minus 4 by 9 is there. First marking will be minus 1 by 9. Second marking will be minus 2 by 9. Third marking will be minus 3 by 9. Here fourth marking will be minus 4 by 9. Fifth marking minus 5 by 9. 6th marking minus 6 by 9, 7th marking minus 7 by 9, 8th marking minus 8 by 9, and 9th marking 9 minus 9 by 9 means minus 1. Case number 2, when numerator is greater than denominator. Here 7 is greater than 2. Convert it in mixed fraction. It is 3 integer 1 by 2. Next to 3, 4 number is there. Therefore, 7 by 2 lies between 3 and 4. Here, 7 by 2 lies between 3 and 4. This denominator tells us in how many equal parts unit distance between 3 and 4 is to be divided. Now, unit distance between 3 and 4 is divided into 2 equal parts as the denominator is 2. So, divide unit distance between 3 and 4 into 2 equal parts. Here 3 and 4. And unit distance between 3 and 4 is divided into 2 equal parts. 1, 2. Now, numerator. See here, numerator. After converting in mixed fraction, see here, numerator is 1. Means first marking after 3 is our 3 integer 1 by 2. First marking after 3 is 3 integer 1 by 2. If minus 3 integer 1 by 2 is there, then represent it to the left of 0 and in between minus 3 and minus 4. Here numerator is 1. Therefore, first marking after minus 3 is minus 3 integer 1 by 2. Now represent 11 by 5 on the number line. 5, denominator 5 tells us in how many parts unit distance between 2 and 3 is to be divided. 11 by 5 lies between 2 and 3. Now divide distance between 2 and 3 in 5 equal parts. 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 5. And here denominator is 5. Denominator is 5. Therefore, we have divided this unit distance between 2 and 3 in 5 equal parts. And here numerator is 1. Therefore, first marking after 2 represents 2 integer 1 by 5. Second marking after 2 will represent 2 integer 2 by 5. Third marking after 2 will represent 2 integer 3 by 5. Fourth marking after 2 will represent 2 integer 4 by 5. And fifth marking after 2 will represent 2 integer 5 by 5 means 3. Will represent 3. This way you have learnt now how to represent fraction numbers, that is rational numbers, on the number line.